completely agree with what Akansha has said right here. What I'd like to add though is that CCE might appear to be this holistic, wholesome system. But let me pause for a second and first think about what holistic development of a child entails. It entails a student going out into the world and exploring his or her strengths, his or her weaknesses, and that happens through self-exploration. If every child is made to pursue the same extracurricular activities, the same sports, there is so much uniformity that the child does not have the space or the chance to go out and explore himself on his own terms. There is a system imposed on him. Now, in the real world, do we see such competition? Do we see teachers giving marks so fleetingly? Okay, you've done well in sports, okay, I'll compensate your marks. That is not a correct system of evaluating a student's ability and capability. When someone does well at sports, that does not mean he's necessarily doing well at academics. Over here, we're not arguing merely about CCE. The topic on the whole is promotion to the next grade, direct promotion to the next grade, and the long-term examination system. I will tell you why this examination system is much more practical, much more pragmatic. We don't live in a quixotic world. We don't live in a utopian universe where everyone will be given the right to do everything. There is fierce competition out there in the world. If the child has to face that competition, he has to know what it is at his level, like school, where the actual development of personality takes place. For example, when you have a deadline at the end of the year, you get ample time to explore yourself. You get ample time to do the activities that you wish to do, play the sports that you wish to do, and the criterion for you going into the next grade is your academic capability. CCE confuses all these elements, puts it into one holistic system, and that's what we get. Now, the respected members of the proposition might argue that, it's wrong to put blinkers, but isn't that what focus is? Isn't that how you focus on a particular goal? When you're given deadlines, when you go into a job, you have to meet them, and that's when you have to put blinkers on. Now, you talk about the economy. Today we have 99% cutoffs. Do you think we can meet such standards with grading, with A's and B's? CCE is not as continuous and comprehensive as it claims to be. Continuous improving to be persistently burdensome to students? Yes. Comprehensive in its efforts to present a false image of the world to us? Yes. But anything other than that, I have serious doubts.